In this tutorial, we'll be talking about measuring different densities. Measuring the density of a solid object. To measure the mass of the object, use an electronic balance. Make sure the balance reads 0 before you place the object on it. To find the volume of a regular solid, such as a cube or a cuboid, measure its dimensions using a millimeter ruler, vernier calipers, or a micrometer, whichever is the most appropriate. Use the measurements and the equation shown in figure 2 to calculate its volume. For a small irregular solid, you can lower it on a thread into a measuring cylinder partly filled with water. You can work out the volume of the object by the rise in the water level. Now measuring the density of a liquid. To measure the density of a liquid, you can use a measuring cylinder to measure the volume of a particular amount of the liquid. You can measure the mass of an empty beaker using a balance. Remove the beaker from the balance and pour the liquid from the measuring cylinder into the beaker. Use the balance again to measure the total mass of the beaker and the liquid. You can calculate the mass of the liquid by subtracting the mass of the empty beaker from the total mass of the beaker and the liquid. So as you can see in the figure, you have your cylinder and you can get the density from the volume and the mass of the liquid.